But the reality is that there are so many benefits from thinking about like what are you doing as an individual to live aligned with your values and to start educating yourself on the issues that you care about and to start changing your own habits and practices and lifestyle in ways that support the world that you want to see. And it's so important for several reasons. One, I think it's really important for our own mental health to feel that empowerment, to feel like I know what I'm doing, what I can, that I'm doing what I can. But it's also important because as you start to do these things, people around you notice, right? Your loved ones, your family, your friends, your community. It starts to have a difference. If you change the things that you are consuming or buying, or even how you consume or buy, it starts to have an impact on other people noticing what you're doing. And then that has this ripple effect that can have a larger impact on the community and on the market that builds from there. So starting with what you can do in your own life, with how you work on these issues, how you spread the message about these issues, like you're doing with this podcast, like that's a really important way to start to build that community and help empower others to do the same thing. So that's how we start with them. And community organizing starts with individuals, right? So that's a really important step to do that. And then from there, there's a lot of opportunity to really feel more engaged. It helps to push aside that feeling of of paralysis or disempowerment that you might have, right? That feeling of overwhelm because you are taking action toward these things. And from then you can learn as you're able to, whether you're able to get involved in a way that is more political or in contacting companies and asking them to change their practices, right? There are all these ways that you can go from there, but it really starts with those individual actions and really feeling like you're aligned with your values and that you're starting to make that difference in your own community.